Begin by turning on the MagiCam and the built-in Wi-Fi. Wait for the LCD screen to display the Wi-Fi signal. And when the signal appears, press and hold the red and green buttons on the remote control for about 5 seconds or until the red indicator light is on. This means that the remote control is now powered on. Afterwards, press the stop button on both the action camera and the remote control and wait for the two to connect. When the Wi-Fi indicator light starts blinking and the LCD screen on the remote control displays the current modes of the action camera, connection has successfully been completed. The green button is to start recording. The red is to stop recording. The gray button is the shutter button for photos. If you press and hold the shutter button for 3 seconds and then press the stop button, you can modify the action camera's parameters. Also, the 4 small keys on the left side of the remote control from the top to bottom are respectively the wide angle, standard angle, narrow angle, and small angle.